Hello and welcome to this nCore tutorial. In this video we are going to show you how to create a job position in 5 simple steps. To create a new position, you need to click on Positions and then New Position. The process includes 5 steps, but the only mandatory step is the first one. In the first step, you will need to fill in the fields that are highlighted in red. Now let's click on Save and Continue, and in the second step you choose the datasets to collect all information you need about your candidates. You simply need to drag and drop the datasets that you have previously created in the setup part of the platform from the left column to the right one. Let's move on to the third step to set up the scoring questions so that we can carry out a preliminary selection of our candidates. In this way, the candidates will be ranked based on their score. In this field we are going to add our question, and below we are going to set the possible answers. We are going to assign a score to each answer. You can also create a multiple choice question if you wish. You can tick this box to disqualify those candidates who don't meet your selection criteria, for example, those who get 0 points. Clearly, the candidates won't receive any communication, but their data will be saved in a specific folder in the platform backend. After having filled in all the fields, you just need to click on Save Question. In this box below, you can drag and drop your questions to place them in the correct order. On the bottom of the page, you can set a threshold score, again, to disqualify those candidates who don't match the criteria. Now we can move on to the video interview step. Here you have a few options to add a welcome video for your candidates. And here you can add your questions and decide how much time to give your candidates to prepare and answer the questions. Here you can decide whether to include this step in the application process and to invite all candidates or only those who reach a certain score. If you click on No, you will be able to invite the candidates at a later time. In the summary step, we can check all of the steps and then come back to any of them to make any changes if necessary. You can also manage the advanced settings for this position and activate the features you see in the right side of the page. After you have created a new position, you can save it as a draft or post it directly. And just like this, you have created your first job position.